In this video, I would like to show how to set up the PowerPoint in preparation of doing an articulate presentation. The first thing is that the PowerPoint file must be saved on the desktop or hard drive. If working from a flash drive or from Office 365 web-based platform or even another network, audio could be lost and other um, critical things may happen, so it's best to always work from the hard drive. Next, you'll want to create a script for the PowerPoint, and this is used in Articulate to create a mini teleprompter. So one could if there's significant information on the slide, that could be copied and pasted into the notes pane and then expound on that, explaining the different concepts or giving a real-world example. This is your opportunity as the subject matter expert to share with the students what they can expect. Then also keep the content to a minimum on the slide. There's a 7 by 7 rule that states that there should be no more than 7 words going across or 7 lines displayed. Now it's difficult to keep within those boundaries at time, but it's a rule of thumb to help not overwhelm the student by seeing a lot of content. Here is an example of having just words or phrases, and then you could explain it further in the notes pane. Also, in the notes pane, it's a good idea to keep the bullets separated like a new paragraph, and this will display while you're narrating to indicate that you're going to move on to the next bullet. And so it's a good way to provide a cue for yourself. And then the final thing in the setup that I would like to address is to add animations to your content. So if you're unfamiliar with adding animation, select the text or even the text box and use a subtle animation like wipe, from left. By default, I think it displays from bottom, but as the viewer's eye is going from left to right, it's a good idea to use from left. And then an important piece is that it starts on click, because you will use this during the narration to bring the next bullet in. If it's set up with previous or after previous, you'll lose control of when the bullets are coming in. Also, the animation pane can be displayed so that you could play the text just to make sure that it comes in the way you expect. In the next video, I will communicate about the articulate features.